traders don't give up, no way. Price charts guide us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb.
Oh, there's no audio, huh? Okay, well, so much for the rundown I just gave. Sorry about that. Here's the hour chart. We're coming down. Last night I was complaining that we really didn't go anywhere last night. We didn't do anything. We just kind of stayed in a little range. So right now I'm above my CPR range, which is about 52 points. And we're in between that and here, so the bear zone. So I'm kind of bullish. I would be more bullish if we get above the midnight open. If we get above the midnight open, you can stay for the most part. We stayed below the midnight open, which is somewhat bearish. So we got to get above this. This is 20,808. Let's call it 20,809. We get above that, then I can see we can get a move up. We got support here on top control at 20,766. Sorry about the audio. Can you hear me now? Okay, you can hear me now. Thank you, Cap. Anyway, so there we are. Bam, bam, bam. 15-minute, didn't show me much. Last night I was just, that's all I was talking about. You got your support down here. If we get below the bottom control here, that's that. 5-minute, you know, if I had my choice, I put my trend line up like that on the 5-minute. We got the 1 minute, we're below that, and we're trying to get below VWAP. So if we drop below VWAP on the morning open, and this is the candle I'll be playing the high and low on. So I will take a short below here, and providing the high doesn't change much, I will take a long above there. Even though the short might be short-lived, right? Because 65 is some support. Okay, so I'm going to shut up in about 10 minutes. So I will probably go long. Well, I will go long above that. And again, I'll be looking for a quick 5 and 10 probably. Actually, what I'm going to do is set up for a 10 and a 20. I'm sorry, a 10 and 75. So I'll take 10 points if we can get it, if I can get it, and then 75, and I'll adjust that one. Probably take like 50 or something. Okay, that's all I got. I'll wait for open now and shut up. Sorry about the audio, Captain. Sylvinus, good morning. Kovper, Bahamas. And Mike Z, good morning. All right, we're coming up to the 1 minute weighted moving average. Let me go to a 2 minute. Oh, there you go. Oh, I missed the long. Damn it. Turning off my alarm. Well, the 10 would have worked on the long. Son of a gun. And our... Well, we got to wait for the target. Son of a gun. 793 would have been beautiful. Oh. All right, we're getting above the midnight open. I'm going to go to a 5 and 10 now. $93 up to 19 would have been a good little play. Okay, back to VWAP. Okay, I can go to a 1 minute now. And a 5 minute. All right, so it's sitting on my hands. Good morning, Michael. Okay, 1 minute opening range is been set. It's about 37 points. So when I see an opening range that big, I sit on my hands because there's potentially a lot of chop. Now we can still blast up and take off. That's a possibility, but his probabilities were there to say choppy. Also opening up at VWAP. How close to VWAP do we get? We opened. Now within 10. A lot of times when you open up close to at VWAP, you'll get choppiness also. So I will sit and be patient. Again, I took some trades this morning, got caught up in chop. It is what it is. Yep. I need to incorporate that into my my deal. So, yep, we got flash at 9:45 and University of Mexico consumer confidence at 10, along with inflation expectations. And you got Bowman speaks at, he'll be speaking after market. Oh, you guys might not have seen that. I keep forgetting I got this thing in the way. This box. There you go. All right. See if we move up. We got target 1 at 20,858. I'm not confident yet, so I won't be taking this trade. What I'll look for. Now we did get above. I might rephrase that. We did get above midnight open. We left a big 5-minute gap all the way down to the 2-minute opening range of 794, which doesn't excite me too much. We are above midnight open, so there's a little bit of bullishness. That's why I said I would be a little more bullish if we got above that. Just don't think I'm bullish enough to take the trade. I am super superstitious, so me going negative on the first trade didn't sit well with me. But thank you, Bahamas Trader, for that flash manufacturing reminder. Okay, it's 36, so we got about 9 minutes. So here's that little choppiness I'm talking about. Yep. Again, nothing, no setup that I'm real excited about yet. If we look at the 1 minute, there's target 1 to the upside, 858. I'm just not real excited right now. Hey John, you excited? Nope. ATR is moving up to about 15, so it's a little iffy. We got everything's pointing up. We got the 2 minute, the 3 minutes, and that reminds me I need to put on my all my little indicator things, my little bots. So we are pointing up. Everything's pointing up. So if you're going to take the trade, you would like to be for a long, right? At this junction of the market, I want to be thinking about longs, not necessarily shorts. Go with the trend. Right now, the trend is not looking so good. As far as if you just look at the one, look at VWAP, look at the 1 minute weighted, and what are they doing? They're going freaking sideways. So never a good sign. Never. You know, we came up, that was looking good, but then flattening out, not so good. Now we could do a little roll up, flat, and then take off. Yep, possibility. All right, so we're at 794, 801. I mean, 800, above 800, you would like to think you'd go long. My bot is taking longs on RTY. Let's see. But this is what I'm talking about, right? When we opened up close to VWAP. We opened up with a large 1 minute opening range. So far, that 2 minute trade was the best trade of the morning so far. Go to the 2 minute, and that would be this guy right here. Which then gave you, I don't know, however many points, 20, you know, almost 30 points, so 27 points. I'll keep the 1 minute opening up for a little bit longer. We'll see how it plays out. Typically on a long, you would take this down here at the halfway mark. So 801, that would have been a perfect entry. Damn it. I do like to see that move up and then it come back here and then take off. So it actually was probably the play. But man, such a big open. Okay, 5 minute, kind of gave a little spinner. Not a big fan. 15 minute so far, looking bullish. Bust up above. We got 4 minutes left. It's looking good. Okay, we got a 1 minute gap fill at 806.50. I'd like to come down and get that. Come on, baby. Okay, what I can do is, let me take this to a 10 and 20. Okay, I'm not going to play my PA yet. Let me see, what is that? 45 to 58. Would have liked to have gotten that. Dang it. All right, so let's see if we can get the move, break up, hit the first target, come back down, retest, and then take off. See how lucky we can be today. So there's target 1. RTY long worked out well. I think my own real issue by taking it at the that buy gap for the 1 minute. This is a 1 minute buy gap. And my own real issue is taking it here at 20. We could come down to 7. So it's kind of my only really issue. So I think what I'd rather do is look for a move up after we come down here, if we come down here to 20. Big if. All right, just being patient here. Let's see, it's 44. We got 1 minute. Let's see where my news is. Oh, that's my new 15-minute range reminder. Okay, so there's the top of 15-minute. Let's put down the low opening range. Okay, good. Looking good. A little bit high. Perfect. All right, 15-minute opening range high. Bust through that, and let's see if we can head on out. I'm going to go ahead and try one there. This is my eval, not my PA. Whoa, just got taken. Let's see, let's get a 1 minute close above it. I'll try that again. That was a quick one. So we still don't have 5-minute gaps are closed. 1 minute gap, we have that one minute gap right here. That's about it. That's all I see. Again, the best bet for me is to try to get her right in here. But if we're going to keep going up, then I want to kind of get in the trade. There's target 2 up here. And 20. Okay, NVIDIA. What's NVIDIA doing? Whoa. NVIDIA's not looking so swell. NVIDIA's down 225, 220, somewhere in there. NVIDIA's dropping, market's going up. Huh, that's interesting. All right, just got my coffee. Oh, there she goes. Okay, ATR is about 19. So my 10-point stop, and I actually didn't want that. So let's close that and let's buy. And then we get taken again. That's why playing sometimes evaluations are not a bad thing. Okay, potential nice reversal candle. NVIDIA is heading down, so I would take a short there. Potential reversal on the 5-minute. So this is what I'm seeing. This candle here. If we can come down below that previous, NVIDIA looks like it wants to go down. So I'll take one up. Nope, didn't get to 10. I'll just leave it there. See if I can get it. Nope. One more time. There we go. There we go. I'll go into a little protect mode here. Come on, stay up. Oh. All right, NVIDIA on its 15-minute candle. It's looking a little rough. Okay, we closed that gap on the 1 minute. Now let's see what she's going to do. NVIDIA is still showing a red candle for this 15-minute, and it has 8 minutes to go. If we drop back below, or drop below VWAP, I would probably VWAP in the 1 minute. Oh no, that's not the 1 minute. There we go. Okay. Okay, we're coming up on VWAP, so we're gonna little bounce here. At 820, huh? We're staying below 900, or I mean 800. If we get back up there. Now if we come back down, I'll take that. My 10-point stop has got to be almost perfect. I might take one off here to reduce risk. Nope, not going to have time. Come on back down. Let's get to VWAP. Let's go. If we get back to VWAP, nope, not going to. Darn it. Yep, that's what I'm thinking. That's why I switched to my my evaluation and said, "What the hell? I just played this," and you know. All right, we got 1 minute left on the 5-minute. I'll wait for that. We're gonna see if we get back over the midnight open here. Bahamas, that's what I had thought this morning at 9 a.m., man. I'm telling you. My gut was telling me. I've had a good week, so I want to try to end green, right? I don't want to kill those PAs. So I want to be a little cautious, just a little cautious. I'll still play them. I've just got to wait for a little better setup. This setup wasn't bad. Let's see what we do here. Okay, 5 minutes, getting ready to close, 5 seconds. We still got 5 minutes on the 15. The 15, that's actually looks like we might, if we come back down, I will take it again. Oh, missed it. Tried to get in. We bounced right at the 1 minute weighted. I'll give it a little bit of room. See if it wants to come down. Not real excited. We are beyond market maker move highs. Okay. Yeah. The news at 10 is University of Michigan survey. Yeah, and I traded well yesterday, so I'm probably due for something. Come on down, baby. Let's go. Let's get some money making going. Yep, just like that. Just not gonna be my day today. All right, I should go back to here, right? Up, 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 up. And I need to start thinking about the longs. So it's going to be a buy the dipper. And I'm going to go ahead and take that long right there. I'll take one off right now. With the market. Go with the market. See how easy it is? It's just a lot easier. No stress. Come on, let's keep going. Okay, I'll just lock in enough to pay for the trade. And I will bring this guy up here. Long-term goal 20,897. All right, we just filled the 1 minute sell gap. So we had a sell gap right here. So we got to watch for a move back down. Okay, we filled that gap. Generally, then if they're going to come down, they're going to come down. There you go. I'm going to try to lock in a little bit here. And then see if I can get back in someplace. Come on, keep going, baby. Okay, I need to get to 34 to lock in 10. There we go. I'll lock in 9. Obviously, I want this thing to keep going. There we go. Come on, baby. I got a long way to make up. Okay. Up 400. I'll lock in 16, 15. Give the market a little bit of room. I'd like to cruise on up to the bear zone. That would be a fantastic test. This is what got me started thinking about the longs is these wicks right here, these 2 5-minute wicks. This one here too. It's like, okay, we're not going down, dude. And listen to your indicators, right? That's what you have them for. I have to admit this one here on the delta moving that far negative that quick got me a little nervous, a little scared, thinking we're going to the downside. Not scared, but at least got me thinking. Okay, let's go. Okay, let me get rid of this. Yep, took me out. We do have a buy gap, a gap on the 1 minute right there, which we're hitting. It might come all the way down and take me out. Yep. All right, there's the bottom. I'm going to try long again. And this time I'll just bring my stop up a little bit more. There we go. All right, better play, better play. Okay, I don't know if we're going to continue up, so I will just try to go a little bit above break even. Okay, so looking at the 5 minute, reason why that was a good trade for me is, hold on a second, is that 1 minute gap on the bottom. So once I mapped out that 1 minute gap and I looked at the time that we had 3 minutes left, to me that was a better, play, not a better play, but it was a good entry because I have greater than 3 minutes on this low. Okay, so that's why it gave me a little more confidence to take that trade. Now, we could be done right here and I could come down and get me. But I'm hoping that we're going to keep going up because that's the direction we should be going, right? This was just a pullback to close that gap. Any rate, there you go. Nice move. Up 4. I could probably lock in. Yeah, too late now. But I'll try to lock in a little bit more. Let's go to 39. That'll lock in 10, 200 bucks. Here I am sitting there talking instead of trading. All right, so let me get rid of this. Actually, I'll just delete that. Get rid of that. Put this right here. So the 1 minute gap I was looking at was right here. I started way over here, but all right, just got taken out. But anyway, gave me confidence to take that trade. If anything, for 5 or 10 points. Gonna have to crawl back now. All right. I really like the 5 minute chart. Okay, looks like our delta, we're still positive about 250. Potential little like M pattern here, little mini M. Okay, 1 minute candle close below VWAP, and I'll take that short. If not, looks like it might be just another bounce up. Just so far, just choppy and sloppy, right? What do we get up? Oh, 100 points up. And I was just scared to take it. All right, you can still see we're stuck on target 1, right? Target 1's right here. We haven't moved it. We haven't closed the candle above it. We've come down. We're now at in the 1 minute opening range. Came down to the mid cycle, just like here. And if we hold above, you know, I think that's bullish. At least that's the way I always interpret it. So we're going to move above it. I'd almost consider a long right here, but I'm going to be patient. $822, $820. Okay, we got a 1 minute sell gap, which we're fighting right here. My software's reminded me, midterm bullish, and a little line I got on here says long, buy the pullbacks. You got 5 out of 5 for pointing up. So I just want to keep that in my thinking. In other words, trying to stay on the right side of the trade, right? That's what our game plan is. Okay, dropping VWAP there. If we drop it, we'll be below the 1 minute weighted, below VWAP, below this little trend line. Drop below the midline of the 1 minute opening range. But I don't think we're going there. Let's see. Got a minute 40. I'm going to just sit on my hands. NVIDIA did a about face. She's down now 270. Still got 6 minutes on this 15-minute candle. If NVIDIA drops 143.50, and she might be going, where's she going to go? Well, it would come down to challenge 141, more than likely. Captain Chaotic, man, where you been? All right, trying to drop VWAP. I'll wait for 1 minute close at least. Got 37 seconds on this 1 minute. There we go, big drop down. Hit the 1 minute opening range low. Boom, boom. Probably should have taken that short, huh? Right here. Probably should have taken that. What was that number? 803. It would have been a good number too. 803, close to the 800 number. We're below the 21 EMA. Dropping. Just took out top control. Heading to target 1 down here at 743. Taking VWAP short would have been good. Took out the 15-minute opening range low. For a minute anyway. Big old wiki. Let's see if I can grab some of that. Come on, baby. Get on back down there to top control. Come on down to 766. Okay, I'll take one off here just for reduce some risk. Looking for 502 cash session test. Okay. Okay, so we took out London high at 831. Good chance we come down, take out the low at 693 roughly. Okay, so 693. I'll go there. 698. See if I can get down there. Okay, I got to watch out for this 5-minute gap fill up here to the 1-minute opening range low. It's a good possibility we fill, or I'm sorry. It's at 782. That could be a 5-minute gap fill. We don't really have any 1 minutes, I don't think, to fill. There might be a little one up here at 800. 895. Hopefully it don't get taken out here. But I will jump back in. See if I can get it all over again. Oh, come on, baby. Stay down. Let's go. In the words of Yogi Berra, we get to do it, was it deja vu all over again? Come on, baby. Stay down. Nope. All right, that's why we got a little bit of bullishness still. Damn it, just can't get out. Still looking for that London low. I would not be surprised. So we got a pre-market low down here at 692. Look at the wicks. And poor man's low, right? Not a cash session low. If we drop back below, I will get back in again. I tried to get the 15-minute range opening low, but wasn't able to get it. Okay, we got 4 seconds. Come on, a little push down. Give me a push down. Okay, now I got to watch out for the 5-minute gap fill up to 778. Yep, probably where we're going to go. All right, we touched the 15-minute opening range low, 775. Kick down. Let's see if we can take this wick out on the 5-minute. Might be able to see it better here. Just kind of hoping to take this wick out, not that one. Okay, I may take one off. If we jump down to about 55, keep wanting to bounce that. Let's go. The longer we stay here, the better. To an extent. Here we go. Let's go. All right, I'll take one off. Oh, maybe it's going to help me. Yep. All right, 5-minute gap closed. See if we continue on down. Let's see, 82 to 72. I almost got that. Okay, maybe we're not going to come down. Okay, retested VWAP. Not easy. Unless you just have some conviction. All right, we got 50 seconds left on the 15-minute. I'd like to see where that ends up. 10 minutes. Why is oh, that's a 5-minute on. I'm supposed to be on the 15 here. There we go. All right, we got 10 minutes on the 15 still. You can see a big bearish candle. I'd like to see that move down. Five minutes, got 20 seconds. Trying to feel that candle back out. Oh, come on, go red. You're supposed to go red there, baby. Yeah. All right. I'd rather lose $35 on this eval than anything else. Just lets me know what kind of day I got. Just an up and down. Taking the short off here at 804 would have been a decent play. Okay, so now I got to be thinking something like this. And, you know, ideally it was something like this, which I don't care for the big verticals like that. Okay, the short back below. What's my, yeah, see, we're at 21 ATRs. Just, man, you got to be just perfect. And obviously I'm not perfect. All right, we're getting into a little box situation. So here's what I'm going to do is we came down. I'll actually play here. Let's call it here. To there. All right, that's the box I'm going to play. I'm not too worried about target. Well, target one I am worried about on the downside. It could hold some support here. It's also right next to our pivot, our daily pivot at 738. We got a potential 5-minute reversal. This guy right there. So the long above here at 793 makes a little sense. But if we come out the bottom of the box, I'll go short. If we come out the top of the box, I'll go long. And one of these probably are going to be my last plays on this evaluation. Okay. Unless I score here. I think I still look for 700 on the downside. Just looking for 10 points here, baby. Come on. Give me 45. All right. Gave me 10. Yeah. See, I just can't play that. All right. 22 ATR right now in the 1 minute. So a 10-point stop is just not going to happen. But we did hit target 1. Come back up. I mean, the downside plays out just like the upside. So we came down, opening range low, target 1, bounce back, and then ideally something to that effect. Could we do it all in the same candle? Sure. Why not? See how that plays, if it plays. Could we go out the top and take off from here? Yep, we could. That 5-minute reversal looks like it might play out. Kind of a weird one. Okay, the 1 minute opening range low is at 781. I'll try to get a little closer to that number. No guarantees I'll hit it. Come on, baby. Nope, that's it. Done. Fini. Okay. Okay. Still like to play. All right. I'm going to reset that account real quick. Well, let's see how real quick is. I don't know how real quick is. All right. Kind of ugly, fugly day. $793 is the potential target if you're holding. Okay, I'll be doing a giveaway here in a little while. I'm going to see. I can do one right. Well, I don't want to do it during peak market time. All right, so might get a flush out of here, 759. See if we can get past this target one. Yep, looking good. Oh, you sucker fish. I was looking for a test. I was looking for a retest of the box, and I was going to take a short on my PAs. But there you go. You sucker. What did you get? All right, we're going back up, retesting target one. A lot of times that's also a good play. But see if we can get a retest of that box up here at 758. All right, IB's in. And hey, I get to reset. What is that, 59? Oh, come on, back down. Okay, got 3 minutes left on this 5 minute. The 23 ATR is killing me, so I'm stopping. I just can't. It's just too big. I don't have enough conviction on the short or the long. For those of you who can play like that, fantastic. That's just not my game. I'm going to try one more time. I'm a glutton for some punishment. What is that, 70? That's 20 points. Damn it. I just can't take that. Ugh. Is it too big? 50% of that wick is what? Can I get there? Oh, right about where I'm at. All right, got a minute left on this 5 minute. Let's see if it was just all for playing around and taking people's money. Let's see if she can go to her true color, a nice red color. Come down and hit me on IB. And here's what I'll do. I'll stack the deck at IB. And I will stack it this way. We'll see how that plays out. YOLO. Oh, that's a good point too. Bahamas, that's correct. I can play the micros and then I can play a lot bigger stops. But I'm going for entertainment value. I'm going for, you know, fuck, I might as well try to turn a $35 account into a paid account, right? So let's see if we can get a move down here on that 5 minute. Come on, you sucker fish. Nope. Came down and hit the pivot. Now we're going to come back and take me out? No. Let's stay down. Nope. Come on, let's go down to hit IB. All right, I got to get rid of that now. I got to put 5 on if we hit it. All right, so on a 5 minute, I'd actually take 5 short right there. On the long side, oh, sorry, I gotta, you're not watching me. I need to put in this guy. There we go. So, oops, I gotta put in 30 minute. Where's my 8:30 minute? There we go. All right. All right. That'll bring up 3K if I can get it. If I get all points, 50-point move. Can we get a 50-point move from that point? I don't think so. 693 is what I was projecting, right? Yeah, 693. That's not enough. It's close. So that'll give me 40. I would take 40. All right, 15 minute. Nothing big, right? I mean, we came down to the pivot so far, and pivots held us. We look to be bouncing up. I don't see any, you know, I'm always looking for options trades also, but I don't see anything that I can play. NVIDIA potentially put in a 15-minute reversal candle. So that's a potential. We would know more above 143.60. I still like the idea of trying to take out the London lows at 693. But the market has its own agenda, and I don't know what that is yet. Maybe it's complete sideways day. I don't know. All right, so you got a 5-minute potential long there off the 771. Back above 15-minute opening range low. And it looks like we're going back up. We're getting some buyers are stepping in. Got your delta, green deltas perking up. 15-minute above here, above 793, and that would be a signal to giddy up. Getting above the 1-minute opening range and VWAP. We do have a 5-minute sell gap that they're trying to bust up through, and that's at 802. Okay, so I got to go back to 3-minute. I kind of like the 1020s. Okay, so there's your long, bam, bam. And that quickly brought up 10, 14 points. Some days you just can't get on the right side of the trade. That's today. So midnight opening, we're getting back above that. That was a long last time. How much time did I got? I'm going to wait 12 seconds. Gosh dang it. Okay. Can't even buy a frickin'. Tried to buy at the midnight open and couldn't even get in. Couldn't even get in there. Maybe that's telling me something. Taking 10 points because it makes me feel good. Bahamas, foul language. View deleted message. You would need to trade micros. Hey, man, that's foul language in here. I don't know. Used them. No, dude, don't worry about it. I don't know what you said. The only thing I could see it says you would need to trade micros. And I agreed with that. I don't know what it said. But maybe you had another one. I don't know. That's funny. I put that in there just to stop, somebody just coming in, just ranting, that's all. Because I slip when I say cuss words, so I try not to. Yeah, I give up, man. This is not going to be conducive to... I can come out of this, though. Right? Tell you what would make me feel good. Let's give something away, and then we'll see what happens. Now, here's the thing. Never done a giveaway. I'm going to do a little giveaway here, and no more PAs. Who's that, me or you? Yeah. No, I'm going to play I'd like to play my PAs, but it's just the question is there going to be a trade setup for me? Right now, I just got to jump in, and I'm not really in the market for jumping in. I mean, just like that, I just took that trade. It's just not my style of trading right now. Watch this one work. Nope, this one isn't going to work either. But I would take if we get above here, I will take this one. Buy, stop. Okay. All right, I'm going to let those go. We'll see what happens. Okay, going back, because there's only 8 people in here, 6 people probably, because I got one of them. I'm one of those 10. But I'm going to go ahead. We'll go ahead and give something away. And like I said, I haven't done this before, so when I give this first thing away, then it's gonna. I don't know what it's gonna do, honestly. I probably should have tested it, but I set it up. I didn't test it. So I watched a video and it said something to the effect that I would as soon as I set it up, I would pay for the item so it runs smoothly. It didn't give me the opportunity to pay for it. So I'm hoping that once I run that, then I'll pay for it, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So anyway, all I'm going to tell you is just give me a little bit of patience and I'll figure it out. If anything, I'll try to contact you. If it doesn't work online here, then I'll try to contact you. Yeah, we'll figure out a way to contact and we'll get it to you, whatever it is. Hopefully that makes sense. All right, I got 10 points. Yay! 832 to 68 would pick me up another 32 to 68. That'd be another 34 points. 34 is, let me see, I can't even do math. 680. So what would that do to that one? I'd still be down 400. And then my IB trade would have to play out. So we'll let that play. I'll just let it run. Okay. So that's that. And I was going to try to not show what I was going to give away. Well, anyway, here's the deal. I'm going to give away a travel mug first, and then we'll give away and then I'll give away the sweatshirt. How's that? Let me see. Okay, so what you're going to want to do, not yet, is we're going to put in, again, I'm just going to let these trades run. It's an eval, I don't care. I'm going to put in, I mean, I care, but I don't care, if that makes sense. So we could come down and just close out this 5-minute gap. There's still 3.5 minutes left right there. Okay, I could add one right here. See if we can get that. Oh, there you go. Okay. Okay, it did give me a chance to purchase the item. Beautiful. Okay, so we got 10 minutes. So what you're going to want to do is put in there you go. There's the instructions. How's that? All right. Maybe something will go right today. I'm usually pretty optimistic. That's it? 2 people? Man, the odds are good. The odds are good. I guess the odds are going to be good in your favor. There's supposed to be 11 people watching. We got to wait for people to catch up because their video might be way behind, right? I only gave 10 minutes, so hopefully they're not 10 minutes behind. So I got 2 people, 3 people, Captain. Oops. 3 users, that's it. And this is all automatic. I have no control over it, nothing. There you go. Okay, just want to make sure it doesn't show anything that it doesn't need to show. But it shows everybody's deals. Okay, so I've already paid for the mug. And what it'll do is, I don't know what it's going to do actually. So we'll find out. We're all in this together. So it might give a link. It might give a link there and tell you, hey, here's your link. Here's your the deal. Here's your here's how to get your item. And that'll be for the person who wins. So hopefully nobody else tries to click on it. That won't be funny. I would ban you for life. Let's try to be adults. Hopefully we don't have any people like that. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. Odds are good. There's your timer counting down. 5 people. And some people just may not want to even be in it. So that's also a potential. They're like, a mug? Come on, I don't want a mug. Hey, it's free. It goes right to your house. No interaction. You don't have to pay for anything. I paid for shipping already. It's all done, baby. All you got to do is put exclamation Mr. Fibs. Man, even lost a viewer. Wow. They're like, man, I really don't want a mug. Hey, it's a pretty cool mug. I can tell you that. I've got one. I'm drinking from it right now. There we go. Get some more people in here. Again, it's all on a timer base and I'm given 10 minutes. So 5 minutes to go. It's pretty cool how it goes all automatic. Da da da. Gary, Michael, you guys, enter. You got a 1 and how many people? 1 and 6. So potentially 1 and 7, 1 and 8. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, good point. Michael's such a gentleman. All right, 4 minutes, counting down. I'm still in this trade. Gonna see if it'll cruise on up to 867. Ultimately, I think we're going to come up to 899. At least come up into the bear zone. That's where I was talking about. If we do get above IB, then I'll be looking for 948. IB 1.5. But we got to get there first. Got to get above IB first. I'll go to break even. Come on. You can do it. So not too bullish, right? I mean, the market is grinding to a halt. We're getting to the 11 o'clock hour. Just not much happening. Only down 460 on 470 is the 471 on my PA. That might be it for today. I don't know. If we don't get something going on, then the PA might be done today. And I'll just take that loss and say, okay, it is what it is. I'll make it back next week. I'm not worried about it. Oh, come on. 54 seconds, so 5-minute pull. Oh, took me out. Look at that, 5-minute pullback. Just about pulled back the whole way. I'm going to jump back in real quick. Let's see if he can. Let's see if he still goes up. I call it the suck back. A lot of times that suck back, it won't. I mean, they'll ramp it right back up, but maybe not this time. Wow. Got down to 20 seconds. See, this is little things on the market you need to be paying attention to. All right, you got 2 minutes left. We got 6 people. That's it. That's the beauty of just starting out too. You only get, 10 to 15 viewers, and next week I might throw in see if somebody wants an eval. Anybody want an eval? Trader income, both the market maker high and all-time high anchored VWAP. Okay. Into resistance on the Qs. Okay, I'll probably pull this down because I think it's all automatic. I think after time runs out, it just spits out a winner. And this mug has one and done on one side and tilted on the other. And it's a metal glass. You can hear it. But it gives off no moisture on the outside. I mean, I got this thing packed with ice. Water, it'll last all day. I'll keep refilling it. But the ice will last all day. And no moisture on the outside. All right, took me out. We're down to nothing. If I can pull off, I got my ATM set up for 5 and 10 on my PAs. So I'm looking for like that's $300, and I'm just looking to get out of here even, or at least flat. Somewhat flat if I can find a good trade. But right now with this slow, I ain't got much, I can tell you that. Actually, that might have been the long right there at 820. Damn it. All right, 19 seconds. $10. Lock in, last chance. You better hurry up and get in there. Exclamation, Mr. Fibs. Which if you buy any, you can no longer enter the raffle. Okay, so now I don't know what I'm supposed to do. It's closed. Oh, here we go. Okay, hold on. I'll show you. I'll do it all live, so there's no debauchery happening. Ready? Okay, here we go. So now the giveaway is closed, and now I pick the winner. So I go to winners, and then I say pick the winner. Again, I don't know what's going to happen after this, so there you go. There you go. Systematic CEO is the winner. There you go. So click on that. Click on that deal. Nobody else click on it. And it should take you there. And let me know if you're successful. I have no idea how this goes. So he got it. Your viewer can redeem the prize. Huh. Yeah, I think what happens when we get a lot of people, I won't display that. Yeah. All right, we got one more thing given out. I want to make sure this one was successful. I'll probably not show this link next time. But I got to figure out how to get that link to that person. So maybe what I'll do is have them send me an email, and then I'll send that link to you. How's that? That would probably be better. It's not working? Okay. All right. Hold on. Okay, it seems this prize isn't meant for you. That's what I got. Is that what you got? It seems this prize isn't meant for you. Is that the error you got? Mine says it seems this prize isn't meant for you. No, Link wanted me to log in. Gotcha. Okay. We'll work on it. Hold on. Okay, I got the link. I copied the link. And... Huh. I'll tell you what. Dude, why don't you send me an email to MRFIBS Trades? Here, I'll send you a link. And then send me an email. And then I'll send you a link. I copied a link from the dashboard there. What do you mean got it? Thanks. You got your prize? Did you get the cup? Oh, got it. Okay. All right. Okay, thank you. You know, that's weird. I don't know. Like I said, I'm going to have to figure this out so it runs a little smoother. Let me get my email real quick. Okay, let me know when you send it. Because it might have went to spam, huh? Nope. Okay, thanks, Michael. Oh, yes. Okay. Alrighty, thank you. There we go. Yep. Okay, hold on. Let me respond to you. Move to, I'm just going to reply. Okay. I'm going to send you a link. And is that the same link? I want to make sure it's not the same freaking link. That might be the same link. All right, I just sent you a link back. Let me know if that works. Thank you for your address. Yeah, bad thing is, I don't even know if I can get back in. I'll figure it out one way or another. Let me know how that link works. Told you there might be a little bit of learning curve on my side, so. And if you want to be patient, then we'll do the sweatshirt too. Well, I got another one. We got another one, a sweatshirt. I'll do that as soon as we figure this part here out, because there's no sense in giving out a sweatshirt if I can't figure how to give a mug out. Okay. Okay, we're just chopping sideways. Last 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. Again, a 5-minute box. You know, it would look something like that. And then let's see, whichever way we come out is the direction I would play. I mean, look at, we haven't gone far from the 1 minute opening range, right? That's the green line and the red line. And we're just hanging out at it. Okay, we're waiting for systematic to come back to us. Okay, 1 minute, 2 minute. One minute. Let's see. So we went up to the green, first red, down to there. Okay, we got a big 5-minute buy gap off that big candle, big green candle going up. And that 5-minute buy gap is something like that. Try to take 10 points there right to VWAP if I can get it. Our ATRs come way down to 14, much more manageable. Not ideal. Still having troubles. Just send an image of what I get. Oh, there you go. Thank you. There we go. Huh. Okay. Okay, thank you for that. That helped. Oh, fuck you. Gosh dang it. Okay. Response. I'm trying to get technical support on Streamlabs, and so I went to their support only, and it says they couldn't load tap to reply, so their technical support is having problems also. Suckers. Nope. All right, so systematic. So one way or another, I'll get the mug to you, and I'll figure this out. Problem is, if their chat was working, it'd probably take a couple seconds. Come on. This is just ridiculous. In desktop, go to settings, get support, upload, diagnose, paste the code. Into desktop, go support. That's what I did. All right, so having a little technical difficulties. I've got to submitted a request into Streamlabs. We'll see how that goes. Hey, Jason. So systematic, I'll get you one way or another this weekend. I should be able to cancel. I'll be able to cancel that cup because I already purchased it. and then buy another one. So if I don't do it if they don't respond to me this weekend, they get back to me on Monday, then we'll get it out to you. I think it takes like, I think mine took, I want to say 5 days to get there. It's all automatic. It's pretty nice. They do a good job. So I'm not too upset yet. All right. All right. All right. We're dropping. I'm not sure what that green line's for. I don't even know where it came from. We're dropping below the 15-minute opening range low. Man, I just hate to take that where I'm just guessing. That's all that is. Okay, see if we can take out the London low. Around 693. Okay, there's a 1 minute close, or no, close that gap, but there's another gap up above. We're up to 16 now on the ATR. Took me out. Sucker. Yeah. Just horrible. Okay, so the bottom of the 5 minute gap is 789.75. So 786. Let's see if we get there. Come on, punch up there, take me, and then drop. Okay, that's a phantom. That's just a phantom order there. Well, I guess I might not be wanting to look for a short there. Came right down to the 78.6. Did a little bounce. prefer not to get hit until the next 1 minute candle. Hmm. Okay, see if we can come on down. All right. Just trying to let it play out. 224 left on the 5 minute. We don't have any 1 minute gaps to fill that aren't too high up. So if we're going to continue on down, it would be nice. We got 2 minutes left on this 5 minute, so we got a little bit of time still. Play a little bit of games. Uh, 15 minute looks pretty good. NVIDIA, it's helping. NVIDIA looks like it's still climbing down towards the target I had of 140.75. Sucker. Very strange. NVIDIA's dropping, but the market is kind of holding. All right, we're going to another 5 minute wick. Look at this. Just wick, wick. Came down, bam, reversed up, wick, wick. Okay, along above 789. $7.89, you're going to go right into VWAP. They're not making it easy. Okay, 15 minutes, getting ready to close, new 5 minutes, so a lot of games to be played. $15-minute opening range low, see if we can drop that again. Or will they use it as support? Took a short on my PAs. But just can't get any traction. Come on, baby, drop it down. Get below 64. Let's get below 60. Let's go. Let's go. Get below 60. Nope. I think we go down further. Just don't know if I can hold on. We're at 15 now and opening on ATR. All right, let's start the giveaway on the sweatshirt, and I'll do the same thing. I'll send an email to the winner, the winner will send an email to me, and then and give me your address, and we'll just go from there. Is that something you guys are interested in? What do I got? How many people in here? 12 watching. So, yeah. Okay. And, you know, whatever happens to this guy, it happens. So, dashboard. Okay, you got 10 minutes. Oh, you sucker. Hold on. It's not going to happen yet. What does it say? Cancel it before starting another one. What the hell? All right, I actually already know. Systematic won that one. We're good there. What did it put in chat? Don't worry about that text right there. Here, let me just, if I can delete it. Yep. All right. All right. Let's go here. See if I can do this one. Okay, I got to figure out how to cancel this son of a bitch. Well, they're not making it easy on me. Cancel. There we go. There we go. All right, I don't know anything about this sweatshirt other than it's supposed to be pretty decent. I haven't bought one. I'm going to order one this weekend. I just bought it. So, are we starting? Okay. Use I or exclamation Mr. Fibs to enter the raffle. Yeah. There you go. 9 minutes left. So if you want to enter, you better hurry. Mike Z. All right. Can I copy that? All right. Got two people. Snapperhead. Hey, Snapperhead. Let's go. Hope you guys are still playing. You got 8 minutes. Well, Cap, you got a pretty good shot of winning. All right, there was that long off of 782. I thought 789, either one. You're back above the 1 minute, back above VWAP. All systems are go so far. All right, close to 1 minute above. Do have a sell gap down to 783, but I don't know if they're interested in filling that. We are in guess we're not going to close that London low, maybe. 15 minute, that's a buy right here at above the 805. Should be anyway. Oh, maybe not so fast. We got a down, 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 up, up. So chop. See if they're closing the on the 1 minute opening range low, which is 782. All right, only 3 people interested in that sweatshirt. Okay. Maybe nobody wants to give me their address. They're worried. I don't know why, but I understand. I paid for the sweatshirt, so someone's going to get it. Yep. Right now you have a 5 minutes left, 6 minutes left, and you got a 1 in 3 shot. 33%. Gotta like those odds. Russia Putin, we will continue hypersonic ballistic missile test. That's that. Okay, 5 minutes. I'm going to take this down for a second. Okay, I have no response yet back from whoever I'm using, Streamlabs. What? Okay. Okay, 4 minutes left. Market not doing a lot today as Wall Street already left for Thanksgiving holiday. Yeah, it's possible. Typically this day is not too bad though. I mean, even Fridays, the next Friday will be decent, but I don't know. Maybe they did. Maybe that's the problem. All right, still only 3 people. What do we got? I don't know. I mean, we got 10 viewers, so I guess the other 7 aren't interested in the t-shirt or the sweatshirt. Okay, 3 minutes. Still waiting for a trade, waiting for a move. I do post under community, under tab. I do post I post various stuff, but lately I've just been posting my daily P&L, where I'm at the end of the day, because sometimes I trade after we close, and just give you an update on where I ended, as well as maybe looking for some pivots. Just sometimes a recap, looking for the 240. Actually, this was a good place. The 60-minute gap. This gap fill here, the hour gap. Yeah. Anyway, in case you guys are interested. All right, minute left. I'll bring it back. That's the 5-minute. Here's the 2-minute. You know, a guy could do this, but I don't think we're interested in going short. Look at the 1 minute weighted or 1 minute opening range, and we've pretty much haven't gone strayed too far from it. I mean, just there's going to be days like that. All right, it's going to tell you that they're going to lock up. No more entries. Putin, Hazeltree missile system is not modernization of old Soviet system. It can't be intercepted. I guess at some point we'll find out. Okay, there you go. We're closed. 3 people. So you got Captain, Snapperhead, Mike Z, 33%. Who feels lucky? Who's feeling lucky? Okay, pick a winner. Snapperhead says, oh, Cap says first. Me. All right, here we go. 1 in 3 chance. Who's the winner? Mike Z, the one who didn't respond. Shit. All right, Mike. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here. Thanks for entering. Thanks for playing along. Thanks for your patience. Here is my email. Mike Z, if you can send me an email with your address and everything, and I'll make sure that sweatshirt gets on its way. Nice job. Hey, next Friday, you got the same odds apparently. So, you know, if we only have so many viewers. Yep. If you know, and the people who are oh, okay, you send it to me? Good. Okay, I haven't received it yet. All right, Mike Z, just send me send me an email, give me your address, and I'll get it on its way. In fact, right when we get done with the stream, I'll go ahead and I'll send both of them out, or at least order both of them. And for the people who have purchased, Apex accounts or Apex evals, used Mr. Fibs or TakeProfitTrader, I just want to say thank you. Thanks for supporting the stream. This will enable me to do hopefully more giveaways. I'll try again next Friday. Ideally, I'd like to get to a point where we can do like 1 to 3 PA or 1 to 3 evaluations to people, right? Maybe, we'll just start off slow. But you can look down in the link below. What do you call this? YouTube. I'm tired. You can look down below YouTube and find links to merchandise and stuff like that. And yeah, whatever you want to do. Mr. Fibs, pretty easy to remember. All right, great. Thanks, Snapper. Appreciate that. All right, still waiting for Mike's. I got systematics. And just waiting on Mike's now. Maybe you can't do it yet. That's fine. Yard guys. Okay. Yeah, I like TakeProfitTrader. I really do. All right, we're still in the middle of the 1 minute opening range. And it's just kind of a dead day. kills me. This weekend I'll figure out how to do that giveaway better, and hopefully Streamlabs will get back to me and supply me with whatever information I need. And then I'll purchase the items. It'll give you a link. You log in. I checked to see if there was a login or something, and there's no on the settings, but there's nothing for me to set up. Ticket, response, the winner. That's it. Can't really do anything. This guy's killing me. The hell? All right, down day's part of the game plan, or not game plan, but down day's part of it, right? Some days are just gonna be not winners. The goal is not to get too hurt. So. All right. Nope, I can't do anything to speed the market up. $26. All right. That's all I got. I'm going to call it a day. Yeah, I mean, what the heck on that blower? Man, it's just, I don't understand. You know, we got a lot of leaves, right? It's fall. And nothing irks me more when people blow dirt, right? Instead of getting a rake and raking it, they're going to take their blower and they're going to blow the dirt to get the leaves off. And it pisses me off because, man, just, you know, then dirt gets in the air, bam, you're going to have dirt everywhere in your patio. Got to have to clean that. It's just crazy. Next door neighbor, the lawn people who do their yard, I've gone over there many times and said, dude, can you just not kick up like 30 pounds of dirt? And he said he would. But next week, he's back there blowing that dirt again. It's like, come on. Can't do anything about it, so you just let it go. Get a hose and start washing stuff off. It's like, man. All right, I'll take off. This is a good time. I'm good. I don't like the day's events. You know, the reality is the 2,100 doesn't really count. Just an eval. Don't care. You know, 470, 465. Those bother me a little bit, but $500, it's not bad. I can recover. It's 1,000. the 2,000 or 1,500 that's hard to recover from. So I'll let those go. I had a good week this week. Those are two new evals. I didn't like to see them in the red to start off with. That really bothers me a little bit because I'm superstitious. But the other two, 61, 63, they're fine. They're in good shape. So we'll go from there. All right, you guys have a great weekend. I'll be back here Monday. The two people won, congratulations, Mike Z and Systematic. Mike Z, I still haven't gotten the email, so as soon as I get it, I will send you the sweatshirt. And if he doesn't send it to me this weekend, then I will cancel it, and next week we'll give it out again. So we'll go from there. Let's see. I gotta find my. There we go. Okay, you guys have a great weekend and be safe, and thanks for joining.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story. give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way.